Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Kyle. I have a little bit of free time between classes, so I wanted to put together this short introductory to the phrasal verb check out. So let's begin. Example number one. Did you check out that new movie last week with Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie? It's an amazing movie. You need to check it out. You're going to love it. Example number two. Um, I'm in line, I'm in the checkout line, and I need to check out my products, my items. So I walk to the supermarket cashier and I stand in line and then I wait for them to check out my products. Okay, so to check out meaning to scan your items and then to leave the supermarket. Number three, check out that beautiful Lamborghini. Can you see that? That red Lamborghini over there? Wow, that's an amazing car. I love that car. Check it out. It looks so nice. It's nice curves, fast, beautiful car. Number four, we checked out of the hotel room this morning at 8 a.m. So when you check in, you can sign the information, give them your payment method, and then they give you the keys, and then you can check out. So we checked out of the hotel room at 8 a.m. this morning. Meet us at the breakfast bar. Okay, so there's a couple of examples of the phrasal verb check out. Hopefully that was helpful. See you guys next time. Bye bye.